Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-dun-dun-dun. Oh, today I am time traveling.
And every time that you are closing your eyes, I will be beside you. And my heart will glide across the miles to fly right to you. 'Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laughing so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I'm time traveling. So today I am time traveling. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-dun-dun. Oh, today I am time traveling.
Girl, I think it's time I let you go. Writing songs about you is getting old. I can't see your face anymore. Oh, the love I once adored, I'm now wondering. I know there's someone who'll make you happy instead, but the love we fought for is tucked away, hidden in a store. But I'll keep you safe, locked inside my chest. Safe from the lovers that want you next. And I tried to love you the way that I knew best. Hope the next one holds you close loves you better. Yeah.
Boy, I think it's time I let you go. Your old t-shirt has lost its hope, and all your records on the floor, they just don't move me anymore. I'm not wondering, I know that she will make you happy instead, but the love we fought for is tucked away, hidden and stored.
I'll keep you safe, locked inside my chest. Safe from the lovers that want you next. And I tried to love you the way that I knew best. Hope the next one holds you close, loves you better. And I'm moving on. I'll admit it's taking longer than I thought. And the hardest part, seeing you smile in someone else's arms. But I'll keep you safe, locked inside my chest. Safe from the lovers that want you next. I tried to love you the way